partners when we say they not get car. We go borrow my husband mother car when we be say we
Don't
want
damage the car.
we want the use. Which one we say not damage the car?
Closer.
Two partners when we say
please.
guys, look at the shoes. It's very, very nice in Luca's leg. No, it's not everybody that understand Benin. Okay.
That's good.
Village husband. Just look at this husband. Why are we combinated together? I do not understand. Why are we together? Bad characters. We have.
Wife.
If you like, continue to be saying Mugu wife. What it concern us? We send you. Who sent you for the area? As you be. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? More than obvious. Mr. Luca, they distract us to greet all our mommies and daddies. Area, Alpha. How that day? My area mama don't come on. I want to go buy food that is. Someone are ready for new recipe.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? We'll log away.
What did they
What's
happen?
wrong?
Okay, I don't teach you now. We'll log away in the language is what's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is so?
Now, what is wrong with you?
What is guan? Luca is Nigeria property. I'm going to throw him back to Nigeria. Luca, you do not belong to this country. Go back to your father's land. Your father's land is in Nigeria. You don't understand. Why you got to look now? Why you they look the throw away face? What is guan? Okay. Two crates of wine. Luca is carrying the 2 crates of wine. Okay, Luca has to pay the wine now. Automatic.
No, Abi, akakagom. You.
This is this supermarket that is close to my house. Is a very big mall, guys. Now Christmas is popping. Oh, excuse me, Tato. And they have started making decorations for Christmas. What do you think about this? Oh wow. Now let's show the back side. This is the Christmas tree. Look at Mr. Luca. He's coming. Mr. Luca is here. He's going to go and carry the cash. Then time for shopping. Time for shopping. Let's go to the mall. Wow. This is the decoration for the Christmas at the shopping mall. Oh yeah. You don't take it. Io mi piace questi.
Quelli piccoli?
Sì, questi colori qui mi piace tanto. Questo poi è bianco. Avocado, Oreo fruit. Look at the banana. Granite, all the old granites in this world. Different granite in this world. Different granites. Different. This is Apollo. Christmas clothes. For kids, for adults. Steak meat. Poi prendiamo senza suino e bovino solo per fare mix per un po'.
Ho immaginato solo di bovino.